Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Your boy Dominoes 7 here with another video. Okay, so I would like to welcome y'all to this Dominoes 7 vlog. Okay, you know what? I want to talk about this crate challenge that really got some people overwhelmed. Okay, I mean, to me, this crate challenge is a dangerous, bad idea. You know. I mean, so many people I've seen get hurt. Some people fell on their head. Some people fell on their backside and all that. You know, one woman broke her arm. One man broke his ankle or his leg. You know, I wonder who came up with something like that. You ain't gonna never catch Dominoes 7 doing something like that. You know, and you know my other concern is this girl in the pink with a scarf. I guess it was a scarf or a do-rag or something she was wearing, and she fell back and she was smiling and all that like it was funny, and everybody was laughing, and some people using N-words and stuff like that. You know, you ain't gonna never hear me say the N-word on my show. You know, but that crate challenge is a stupid idea. You understand? You ain't gonna never catch me doing something like that. You understand? You ain't gonna never catch Domino doing something like that. You understand? Cause I don't have time for stuff like that. You know, a stupid challenge like that. So I'ma upload this video on my Facebook page too. On my Facebook. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm upload this video on my Facebook page. You know. Okay. So this is going on YouTube too, okay? But honestly, y'all, that's a stupid challenge. Who the hell came up with that? I wonder. Okay, some people falling on their butts, some people falling on their head, and then one woman, a girl, or whatever to call her, she was touching the crate, and then this fool pushed the crates down and made her fall, and then excuse me, this lady start to cry. What in the world are y'all thinking? I don't understand. I really don't understand. That crate challenges are dangerous, and you know it's 7 above. In the middle, it's like steps walking up, and then a 7 in the middle above. I don't know how many feet. I must say, thank God you're not stacking it way up about 2 or 3 stories high, because something happen, you fall on your head, you done for. Hit the right spot, oh my God, you done. Stop it. You heard me? Stop all that. You heard me? This is too dangerous. This is not American Gladiators. This is not Fear Factor. This is not Nickelodeon Guts. Okay? I'm not Joe Rogan. I'm not Ludacris. Okay? I'm Domino. Okay? So please stop all that, because that's a dangerous game. Some people breaking their limbs and stuff like that. It ain't worth it. You know what I'm saying? It is definitely not worth it. Okay? I mean, let me tell y'all something. I'm not going to the hospital for nobody. I'm not going to try nothing stupid. Dangerous or whatever for no $10,000 or anything else. Huh? It's like being money hungry, for God's sake. You know. Yeah, I'm money hungry myself. That's why I'm picking up cans. What the hell? I don't care what people say. You heard me? Okay, stop. You heard me? This is not right. You know, a crate challenge, and y'all gonna hurt yourselves, quite possibly die or whatever. You know, breaking every bone in your body just to make money or impress somebody. You know, that ain't right. Okay. I mean, that ain't right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry if I'm insulting anybody. If I'm insulting you, I'm sorry. Okay, I am very sorry for insulting you. Okay, before anybody come and comment on my video or whatever. Okay, I'm sorry for saying what I say. Okay, but I'm just saying it's dangerous. I'm serious. It's dangerous. My main concern is that girl in a pink, and I think she had a do-rag on. You know, she fell backwards, and she smiled about it, and other people just laughing at that everybody fall, and then this man rolling a blunt, walking up the thing and stuff. I mean, he could have fell out. You know. And then this girl on heels, you know what I'm saying? On heels, walking on top of them crates. She could have fell because you know, what if that one of them heels gave out? You know, she could have been tumbling down. Okay, it's not worth breaking your ribs, breaking your arms or your neck and stuff like that. You know, I mean, let me tell y'all something. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Okay. If I'm insulting anybody that's watching this video, I'm sorry. I am very sorry. Okay? Okay, I apologize. Okay? But it is not worth it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just stating facts. Facts. Okay? Because, you know, I'm not Ludacris and I'm not Joe Rogan. Okay? Because, you know, they hosted Fear Factor. This is not Fear Factor. You understand? Alright? I mean, that ain't right to do all that, you know. Okay, I mean, you're not on Fear Factor. You're on social media. Where they got this from? TikTok? You know, I would do anything on social media, but not to hurt myself. You know, I'm sorry for saying what I said. You know, I'm just stating facts. That's all I'm doing is stating facts. Okay, but you ain't gonna see me trying something like that. Okay? Alright, so all I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, be careful. That's all I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? I mean, let me tell you something. Thank God. I thank God that there's no pregnant woman trying to stunt like that. You know, I am very glad that no pregnant woman is trying something like that. If she would fall, she'll lose her damn baby. You know? And another thing, it's COVID season, y'all. You know, people getting sick from the coronavirus and stuff like that, and you won't be in the hospital because you got broken bones and stuff like that. Come on, yo, don't do that. You know. So I won't be surprised if Tiario make a video about this. I won't be surprised to hear about Lovely T and Trey. You know, you know that guy from Know the Lodge show? His name is Trey, you know? And I won't be surprised if Philip Scott comment about something like this, you know? Will y'all get mad at Philip? Will y'all get mad at Lovely T? Will y'all get mad at Tiario? Who knows, okay? Because I won't be surprised if Tiario make a video about the crate challenge, you know. But I guarantee y'all, Tiario ain't gonna try that. Tiario, Lovely T, and Philip ain't gonna try something like this. You know, Philip from African well, I don't know how to pronounce that. You know. Okay, so Philip Scott ain't gonna try that. Lovely T ain't gonna try it. You know. And Tiario ain't gonna try it. Your boy Dominoes 7 ain't gonna try it, you know. Okay? So I know some of the famous celebrities ain't gonna try nothing like that. Genuine ain't gonna try it. Nas would never try it. Not even Jay-Z, you know. And Beyonce definitely the hell ain't gonna try it. Solange ain't gonna try it. Romeo, Bow Wow, none of them ain't gonna try nothing like that, you know. I mean, Domino ain't gonna try it. Cause like I say, this ain't Nickelodeon Guts. This is not Fear Factor. This is not American Gladiators. Okay? Stuff like that, you're probably seeing Fear Factor or American Gladiators. Well, I wouldn't see that on Nickelodeon Guts. You know? Well, that was years ago with Nickelodeon Guts. Okay? Alright, so that's all I gotta say. Be careful, y'all, out there. Okay? Because y'all don't want to spend no time in the hospital for some broken bones trying to stunt like that. Okay? Please be careful. God bless y'all, okay? Alright, bye.